Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making a meatball and cauliflower casserole swimming in delicious tahini sauce. You can eat it as it is or with white rice, or better yet, make it into a wrap sandwich using pita bread, saj bread, or any bread of your choice, but we personally eat it straight from the casserole. We'll start out by rolling our meat into round shapes. To the minced meat, we've mixed in finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander, and finely chopped parsley, and of course, a pinch of garlic powder and salt and black pepper powder. But you can season your meatballs whichever way you like. Please make sure to keep all your meatballs the same size because we want them all to cook equally and at the same time. In a hot pan with olive oil, start searing your meatballs, which took us about 6 to 8 minutes, but yours may take longer or less time because everyone's stovetops and pans are different. Just keep in mind that we are trying to sear them on both sides, and once you've achieved that crispy sear on the outside, go ahead and move them into the casserole dish and let them rest there. In the same pan that has those delicious meat juices, drop in your cauliflowers, and don't forget to season those with salt and pepper as well. Add in a bit of hot water from the kettle. Cold water will cool down the pan, and then cover them and let them cook. We did that for a number of reasons: to deglaze the meat juices off of the bottom of the pan, to create a steamy environment that will cook the flowers evenly, and to not burn the cauliflowers from the outsides only. While those cook, we've started toasting our pine nuts in some ghee. Feel free to substitute with olive oil or no oil if you prefer. Just remember to keep stirring and keep the heat at a medium so as not to burn your pine nuts. Remove the pine nuts as soon as they have toasted and move on to the next step, which is cooking the minced garlic and minced parsley that we are going to add into the sauce later. And this step will only take about 2 to 3 minutes, and you could skip this step, but you might end up with a very pungent raw garlic flavor in the tahini sauce. Now for the tahini sauce, in a big bowl, start by putting the tahini, add in the lemon juice and mix. The tahini sauce will immediately thicken from the lemon juice, but don't panic, this is supposed to happen. Season with black pepper powder and mix some more. Add in the yogurt and mix. Then add in a half cup of water and continue mixing. If the sauce is still too thick, we will keep adding in water, but only a little at a time because we can always add more water, but we cannot remove. Mix it well until it has the consistency of buttermilk almost. I can't think of anything else to compare it to. Then add in half of your garlic and herb mixture and mix it in. Give it a taste, and if it's not too garlicky for your taste, go ahead and put in the rest of the mixture and season some more accordingly. On another pan, we already started pan frying onions to garnish our casserole with. The goal is to make them crispy onions, and they're such a pain to make, but once you taste them, it'll be worth all that trouble. This step took about 5 to 10 minutes. I lost count. I don't remember. Time stood still. But it included a lot of constant stirring and a sprinkle of all-purpose flour, which really sped up the browning. So once they're browned, set them aside. Start assembling the casserole by drowning the meatballs and cauliflowers in our beautiful tahini sauce, then pop it into a preheated oven without covering it. Keep it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or just until the tahini thickens and reduces and you can see that it has browned on top. Take the casserole out, garnish with pine nuts, the crispy onions, and more herbs for a pop of color, and enjoy. Thanks for watching us cook stuff, and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!